if your value depends on your workload, it is time to rewrite the story in your head. Adrian, I have noticed that there are so many people, they base their work on the value that they bring, and this often leads to being overworked. What are your thoughts on this?
Well, Karin, I believe that we should all strive to create that work-life balance that we need in life. And my piece of advice would be to prioritize your tasks. And whenever you feel overwhelmed, don't be afraid of asking for help. That's not a sign of weakness. It only indicates that you are truly concerned about the end result. And if you feel that you cannot deliver, then you should ask for help.
That's right. You are not a machine. You don't need to earn the right to exist. And it's so important to understand that you do your best work when you feel worthy first, and not when you chase being worthy. Now, this was our thought for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.